Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Jim Beam burger. Alright, first thing we gotta do is we gotta make our Jim Beam barbecue sauce. So, as you can see in a pot, I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of ketchup. Then we want to add a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And then we want to add 2/3 of a cup of whiskey, Jim Beam to be specific. Sprinkle in some salt. And of course, freshly ground black pepper. And then we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of packed light brown sugar. Followed by 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder. And then 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And then finally, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then you want to add 12 ounces of your favorite cola. Specifically for me, I of course went with Coca-Cola. And don't do diet, get the sugar shit. And then you just want to grab a little whisk and whisk this around. You want to whisk this till basically everything is mixed together and happy. And then you want to place this on a fairly generous heat. And you basically want to bring this to a boil. Once it's reached the boil, reduce the heat and maintain a steady simmer, stirring occasionally until you've reduced this by about 1/3 to 1/2, depending on how thick you like your sauce. I went closer to the halfway mark. About 15 to 20 minutes for 1/3 of it to reduce. About a good half hour to 45 minutes if you want to go thicker. Go until you get the thickness that you want. Then take it off the heat, let it cool down, and transfer it to one of our condiment bottles. Alright, let's make some burgers. Alright, as you can see here, I've got our burgers grilling on the grill. They're 1/4 pound patties. I've showed you all how to press these burgers down before. And I'm just using a burger seasoning I picked up from my local grocery store. And yeah, then we're just going to cook these till they're done. Takes about 1/4 pound patties, about 3 to 4 minutes aside. Okay, I apologize. This is again where my camera started to go caca cuckoo and start dying. But once the burgers are done, as they are through the magic of cooking show editing, place a piece of American cheese on each one, let it melt up, and let's bring the burgers in the house. Alright, as you can see, I got a nicely toasted bun, mayonnaise on one side of the bun, then we're going to add some nice shreddis, and then I'm going to add a burger patty, some peppered bacon, and because these are 1/4 pound patties, I'm gonna go for a nice double burger here, double cheeseburger here. So another patty, and then we're gonna add some pickles, because again, like I said, a burger without pickles probably gonna be garbage. Then some thinly sliced white onions. A nice slice of an heirloom tomato. That barbecue sauce that we made. Finally put the top bun on top. And that's that. The Jim Beam burger. Done.